Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to introduce a very important concept, which is the it keyword. I want from you to focus with me. We have this list called numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I used a lambda expression to get the square for every number. I created a variable called squared numbers equals to numbers, which is the list dot map. Map is a higher order function that accepts a lambda expression or a function in its parameter. And this lambda expression, we learned about its syntax. This is the general syntax, the parameters, the arrow operator, and the body of this lambda expression. Parameter is x, body is x times x. Then we call this lambda expression or this variable squared numbers, and we will get the square of these numbers. I did the same with the anonymous functions. I created this anonymous function called squared nums anonymous equals to function taking into the parameters x, it's of type int, and the return type of this function is an integer. And the body of this function is x times x. Then I used the same map higher order function and I passed the squared numbers anonymous function to it in order to get same result. If I run the program, I'll get the same result using the anonymous and the lambda expressions. Now, let me introduce the it keyword. The it keyword in Kotlin is a special implicit name for a single parameter in a lambda expression or anonymous function when that lambda or function takes only one parameter. It's a shorthand notation that allows you to simplify your code when you have a lambda with a single parameter and you don't want to explicitly declare a parameter name. Instead, you can use it to refer to that parameter. In this case, I have only one parameter, which is x. I can use it instead of using x. So I'll use the it keyword instead of x. Val squared numbers 2 equals to numbers dot map. And here I'll use it times it. And I replaced with these brackets. Okay? These brackets specify a lambda expression. So if I try to print ln squared numbers 2, I should get the same result. And here we go. So it keyword is used when you have a lambda or anonymous function with a single parameter and you don't want to explicitly declare a parameter name. So it times it is similar to this lambda expression. It's a shorthand notation. Let me give you another example on it. If I need to get the even numbers from this list, val even numbers equals to numbers, which is the list dot, I'll use filter higher order function. And this higher order function is similar to map. It filters the list into a new list according to the conditions passed here as a lambda or anonymous function. It modulo 2 equals to 0. Go and apply this for every number inside the numbers list. And if the condition is true, go and store it inside this new list called even numbers. If I print the even numbers, I'll get 2 and 4. And if I need to use the lambda expressions, I can write like this. So this is a shorthand for this notation and lambda expression. Again, guys, it keyword is a special implicit name for a single parameter in a lambda expression or anonymous function when that lambda or function takes only one parameter. So if a lambda expression takes 2 parameters, I can't use it keyword, only with one parameter.